Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you about the secret rooftop sitting spot in Flowerfield, Heartopia. So, did you know there's a hidden resting spot in Heartopia where you can relax and then taking aesthetic photos for free? First, to get this spot, just head over to the Flowerfield near the NPC Fernie, this one, and then just look for this house and then just climb onto the rooftop like this, and then in here you'll find two built-in sitting spots. And the best part is that you don't need to own any sitting actions or emote to use them. Just simply tap on this icon, and then just like that your character will automatically sit down on this rooftop. And I think roof I think this spot has one of the nice views in this flower field, and it's perfect for taking photo with your friends or just creating cute social media photos or just simply enjoying the scenery while you're AFK. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.